Material which is made up of RAM is very costly. You understood or not? Yes. The material which is made up of hard disk, I think it is selenium or something, it is very cheap. Okay? So if you want to store permanently, store it in hard disk. It is not under processing. If you store the data in the hard disk, it is not under processing. When you want to process, what do? Go to the RAM. Go to the RAM and process it. That's why for processing thing we are keeping very small. You understood or not? Yes. Okay, so when you put 5 plus 2 or something, where it will go? It will go to the control unit. What is the purpose of control unit? Control unit is the one which controls the data. Okay, so this 5 plus 2, it will go to ALU. It will calculate 5. ALU means processor. 5 plus 2, it will calculate as 7. This it will be put it in RAM, or it will be stored. If you want to save permanently, it will save it in hard disk. And if you want to print it, it will go to the output. This is the process thing. You understand or not? Yes. So why I am telling this is, suppose you store this 56. I told 56. 56 is stored it in where? It is stored it in bytes. Am I right? Yes. I want to process this 56. How will you do this? Tell me. Now 56 is stored it in hard disk. I want to process this. Process means where it has to come. It has to come to ALU. Am I right? Yes. How it will come? Tell me.
Through the
56 I told you how it is stored it in a magnetic disk. This is hard disk. It is stored it in a byte. Now I want to process this 56. It has to come to the ALU. It has to come to the processor. How it will come? Tell me.
Through the system bus.
Huh?
System bus. Through the system bus, take it from the.
How it will take? Tell me. It will take exactly that byte. It will take exactly that byte. No. Or you will take the whole. Take rice means what you will write. You will take one rice. You know rice, no?
Yes.
Take rice means what you will do? You will take like this. You understood or not? You will not take 1 because 1 it is very difficult to take. You understood or not? So even of 56, it is very difficult to take each and every byte because it should be fast. So it will take in a block. You understand or not? Which block? It is in this block. So it will take block. So whenever you want to process the data, it will take it in block only, not in bytes. Okay? So in your calculation, in your problem, this problem and all will come. You will always deal with the blocks. You understand or not? So when you want to store it, it will store in the format of blocks. And when you want to retrieve the data, it will be in the form of blocks. It is like a rice. Okay, you cannot take each and every rice. Rice means you have to take the hump. Okay, so that is the thing. You understood or not? Yes. So this is the main structure of the memory. Okay. Okay. The second thing is, suppose I have a record. You know what is record? What is record? Can you tell me what is record? Huh? What is a record?
1 row in the table.
Yeah, 1 row in a table. Am I right? For example, University ID 2009 1598. His name is Ali, and his GPA is 3.2. Okay? This is one record. This record, where it is stored? Where it is stored? It will convert it into binary and it will be stored in where?
On block.
It will be stored in where? It will be stored in by each and every data. For example, you know how it will store? These are the fundamental things. You should know that. How high it will store? Can you tell me?
Convert A to bytes.
How will you convert A to bytes?
Get ask.
Huh?
Ask if
How value will be stored? I told you, or computer knows only on and off. It does not know the string or number or whatever may be. How value will be stored?
A converted to the ASCII, which is the set of number 21, 22.
What is ASCII of A?
65.
Okay. How the 65 will be converted to binary. Yeah. What is ASCII of L? Something 83 something. So that will be converted to binary. So it will store that in the binary. You understand or not? So that record will be stored in the binary. It may be stored in 1 block or 2 block. Suppose the record is big, means it will take 2 or 3 blocks to store one record. You understood or not?
Yes.
Okay, so it will store one record into that. So what is the problem is you have two type of I think this is not there. You have two type of file is there, record. One is span record, another is unspanned record. Spanning record, another is unspanned record. Do you know what is the meaning of span record or unspanned record? Do you know what is spanning?
Spanning.
What is spanning? Spanning means joining.
Joining.
Joining. This is one class and this is another class. This is span. This is join. These two classes are joined. You understood or not? That's why it's called spanning. For example, one record is there. One record is here. Okay, the record can be stored. For example, this record is stored here. This record is stored it here. Okay, this is called spanned record. This is called unspanned record. Unspanned record means what? Unspanned record means it will be stored in only one block. You understood or not? Another record you want to store. For example, it is start here. It is not completed. So the remaining thing it will be stored it here. You understood or not? This is called span record. Span means it is joined with other block also. You understood or not? Yes. Spanning record means it will not present in one block. It will present in different block and it will be joined. Unspanned means it will present only in one block. Okay, so this is called as unspanned record.
Because it's in one block.
Yeah, one block. Spanning record means what? It will be present in different block and it will be joined. So that is called as what? Span record. Span record. Okay, so there are two types of record, span record and unspanned record. Okay? Another thing which you should know is blocking factor. Do you know what is the meaning of blocking factor?
Factor?
What is blocking factor? Blocking factor means I told you how you want to process means you have to take the data from here. Okay? The data are stored in bytes. The bytes is present in block. So when you want to process the record, it will take it in blocks. You understand or not? Suppose to process the record, I want to take 5 blocks. So blocking factor is called 5 blocks. 5 blocks per 5 blocks. You understand or not? For one taking, how many blocks it is taking? That is called 5 blocks per record. What is the meaning of 5 blocks per record? Can you tell me? What is the meaning of 5 blocks per record?
5 blocks
per record means what?
For
One record is stored in 5 blocks. You understood or not? That is called blocking factor. Okay? So that is very important. For example, you have an EMP table. In ISS 334 you have run an EMP table. Am I right? Suppose you have 50 records. You have 50 records. So how many blocks it will take? Tell me.
50.
I want to run, for example, I am telling select star from EMP. Select star from EMP. You are giving a query. You understand or not? This query where it will go? It will go to the Oracle server. Okay? It will search for the EMP table. In the EMP table, you have 50 records. You understand or not? So you have to take 50 records from 50 records. So if blocking factors is 5 blocks per record, how many blocks the system has to take? Huh? For one record, it is 5 blocks. For 50 record, how much? 250 blocks. You understood or not? So it has to take 250 blocks. Okay, 250 blocks per record. Suppose if the table size is more, for example, if you have 1000 records in the table, how many blocks it has to take?
million.
Huh?
So,
For one record it is 5 blocks. For 1000 record it is 5000 blocks. So it has to process 5000 blocks.
yes.
If it has to take 5000 blocks of thing from the where? From the hard disk. Hard disk will present in Oracle server. You understood or not? Where did you install the Oracle? In that server, hard disk will be there. So that processor has to take the 5 blocks. If it is taking a 5 blocks, RAM should have that capacity. You understood or not?
Yeah.
Because this is going to take from the RAM. It will not take from the hard disk. From the hard disk, you can take the 5000 blocks. but the RAM should have a capacity to hold the 5000 block. You understand or not? If it is not, think what will happen. You have to take small amount and you have to do it. So all these things are there. I'm telling an idea. So if you go for a big company, you need the processing should be very big. Understand or not? RAM capacity should be big and the processor should be a very good one. Or then only you can process the record properly. That's why you should write the query very properly. If you are just like that, if you wrote the thing, it will create a problem. For example, if you wrote the query select star from EMP in a button, this guy will also press the button, this guy also press the button, this guy also press the button at the same time in the online. Understood or not? So one is for 5000 means for this guy 5000, for this guy 5000, this guy 5000. How much? 15,000 only for 3 users. If you put it in internet, how many users will be there? Minimum 100 users will be there. For 100 users, how many blocks? You understand or not?
Yes.
How fast it should be, what should be the capacity of the RAM, everything you have to think. Why I am telling is because as a Saudi, what you have to do? It is your responsibility to choose the software. It is your responsibility to put the configuration. You are not going to do the programming. You understood or not? Mostly Saudi, they will be put it as a manager or something. You should be able to know these things. Then only you can guide the people. Okay, you will purchase this software, you will put this configuration, you will put this one. You understand or not? The background information you should know. If you don't know, that's it. Don't behave like a blind person. Even the person who is working in the, what is that? In the cafeteria, I also know how much GB it is, how much RAM it is, how much this. He also knows. Then what is the difference between you and him? You should know technically. What is this? Why you are doing like this? What is the purpose of this? That you should know. Okay? So if you are storing more data in the table, it will be very difficult to take the data because it will require a lot of blocks and it requires a lot of memory to process this one. So that is the main aim of these things. You understand or not?